Hello and welcome back. In this video we are fitting side steps to a 4-door Jeep JL Wrangler. These are Mopar side steps, as would have come as a factory option, I believe. Did not come on ours, but my wife's quite short, so I decided to get them. They're a little bit expensive, a couple $100, but it's kind of about the right price that you'd pay for any kind of aftermarket side step. So the reason I went with these over any others was because it matched the black plastic. They're plastic side steps, but the actual brackets are all metal, so they're not flexible or anything. They are quite sturdy, but the black matches the bumper and the fenders. It's actually funny, I was looking for the nuts and bolts. They were actually stuck in the bottom of the box. I couldn't find them to begin with. They're kind of heavy. They're not. Quite a few pounds each. I think the box said 30 pounds. 15 pounds each. Maybe. So there are 6 bolts that go into the pinch weld on the Jeep, and then there are 3 brackets that go behind and up. Obviously you get 2 in a box, 1 for each side. Took me a second to work out which side was which. The longer side, or the longer end should I say, goes towards the front. So once you've got them out of the box, it's kind of quite easy to see which is which. So you can see this is the driver's side. So, found the bag. And there's some instructions in there as well. Basically, put them on. So I get my kneeling mat out, and I always use this when I'm working on my cars, just saves my knees. I have a 10mm socket and a 13mm socket, and I'm using a small 3/4 inch, 3/4 inch? No, I'm sorry, 5/8 torque wrench that's in inch pounds. So the instructions come in pounds feet of torque, so I had to convert them to inch pounds. I'll show you those figures on the screen. In a minute. So just getting it into the general area. Just checking it's not going to foul on anything, and it really just literally lines up with the holes. Boom, there it is. Just checking again to make sure I got the right way around. But the fenders line up nicely. So just throw on the bolts. So yeah, there's 3 bolts that go up into the chassis, and then there are 6 nuts that go onto the bolts that come from the fender. So they go through the pinch welds, and then you basically tighten them up on the other side. My TJ I worked on before, that was kind of different. I had to undo some bolts and brackets. This is so much easier. You can see they've really designed this for the shade tree mechanic or the home mechanic. It's very easy to do. Use a little extension. The a little bit difficult to get to without an extension. Probably could have done with a shorter one, but this is what I had. So I decided to tighten all of them up, just kind of pinch tight to begin with. There's obviously horizontal and vertical movement available. Though the bigger bolts are 13 mil, you see that was the settings for those, and then these smaller ones, these 10 mils, they are 9.5 pounds-feet, or feet pounds of force. And just tighten them all up progressively, and it just pulls it in nice and tight. And there you go. I think that looks fantastic. Beautiful. Alright, thanks for watching. See you later.